Hello guys, this is Nick from TSPROF. This is gonna be the fourth and the last video of the series dedicated to the common mistakes in sharpening. If for some reasons you haven't seen the first three ones, here is the whole playlist above. So let's finally proceed to the next few ones. Incorrect knife clamping. In order to get uniform secondary bevels on both sides, first of all, you have to correctly clamp the knife. If it's a straight blade without curves, you can place it horizontally related to the frame of the unit. But if it's a blade with curved geometry, you have to find the right position of the blade in clamps manually using a marker. In most cases, the knife tip is removed folded towards yourself. So this way you'll be able to evenly sharpen the secondary bevels and get the same width on both sides of the blade. It's very important to clamp the knife tightly so that it doesn't move in the clamps, because if it's been removed in the clamps, it will be hardly possible to get back at the same place. It especially concerns roughing work, when maximum pressure is applied to stone. If there is no straight area on the blade, you can use tape. If a blade has a heel, you can clamp it by heel as well. It is also vital to know that if the knife is loosely fixed, the knife will shift towards the jaws, so most likely it will lead to a lance on the secondary bevel. Next, for lighting at the workplace. The workplace of a sharpener is supposed to be well lighted because it helps keep an eye on how your stone moves, and you will be able to prevent possible fall downs of a stone from the blade, and also injuries that you might get during sharpening. Yeah, you've got rod stoppers. However, they will hardly help you if there is a blade with deep curves. In addition, good lighting allows you to clearly see how the secondary bevels are formed and helps you see any defects. Over time, as an experienced sharpener, you will be able to sharpen by highlights of a blade, where you can see how good the secondary bevels are, or see those areas of a blade which are not sharpened well enough. Visual perception with tactile sensation of movement of a stone will greatly increase the level of your sharpening skills. Non-use of optical monitoring during sharpening. If you want to significantly improve your sharpening technique, you have to understand what is going on with the secondary bevel after every stone used. You have to be focused on what scratches formed on the secondary bevel and how burr looks at different stages of sharpening. For these purposes, we use optical control tools like magnifiers and microscopes. Magnifier allows you to quickly and constantly monitor the state of the secondary bevel at any place, and also see how the scratches are formed and their features. We're recommend using from 10x to 30x magnification. Magnifier has to preferably have its own lighting. For more precise optical monitoring of blade surface and stone movements, a microscope is applied. Because it is a stationary device, we use it after the end of sharpening in order to assess the condition of the knife and the sharpening results. The microscope allows the novice sharpeners to draw conclusions about exactly what kind of abrasive stones are needed for each type of steel, and get a better understanding of the duration of work. Using a microscope increases the level of your sharpening skills and helps both in choosing the sharpening method itself and in building your own set of abrasive stones, developing your own approach in sharpening. You can use any microscope with magnification up to 100. The best one are medical microscopes, but you can use electronic ones as well, but they are more expensive. With this video, we come to an end. This series dedicated to the common mistakes in sharpening. If you think that we missed something or you got something to add, we would really appreciate any feedback and comment down below. So if it was helpful to you, or if you like what we are doing, don't forget to put your thumb up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, take care and stay sharp.